Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this FreeCAD guide for 2026, I'll show you how to update FreeCAD. Keeping FreeCAD updated ensures you have access to the latest features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and compatibility updates. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, staying on the latest version can help improve your workflow. So let's get started. First, open FreeCAD and check which version you're currently using. You can usually find this information by opening the Help menu and selecting About FreeCAD. This will display the version number installed on your computer. Next, visit the official FreeCAD website and navigate to the Download section. Compare the version available on the website with the version currently installed on your system. If you use custom workbenches, macros, or add-ons, verify that they are compatible with the updated version. Some extensions may require updates of their own. Going forward, check for updates periodically so you can continue benefiting from the latest improvements released by the FreeCAD development community. And that's how to update FreeCAD. By keeping your software current, you'll gain access to new features, improved stability, and a better overall design experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.